I am so excited today to be planning our closet design with Todd Carter at Tailored Living. Let's go in and check out their new showroom.
Hey Nina.
Hey Todd.
How are you? Great to see you.
Thank you.
Thanks for coming by.
Absolutely. Cannot wait to get started on our
Awesome. Welcome
closet.
to our new showroom, still in progress.
Thank you. I'm very excited about this new space you have. It's huge. All right, well, let's get started. Thank
Great,
you, Todd.
sounds good.
I love a good design process, and that's exactly where we started. Todd sat me down in his conference room and started going over the designs he'd already put together after measuring in our home to really start getting a sense of how the space was going to come together, how Mark and I were going to be able to coexist, what the overall look and feel of the space was going to be was so important, and I love that we started right off the bat in getting a good visual. And then we got to choose the selection, so different hardware choices, finishes, just going through all the bells and whistles. And I gotta tell you, my favorite part, Mark and I have been really good friends with Todd and Juliana for years. We absolutely adore working with them, and it was so great to experience their company from the customer's point of view. It was just so much fun. And because their showroom is so amazing, they just got expanded into a new space, all the bells and whistles that you can take a look at, not only from a closet standpoint, but they also work on organizational spaces. So in your closet or maybe a mud room. So all kinds of ways to really keep you organized, keep the energy flowing in your home. And that's what it's all about. And I cannot wait to see our closet installed in our new home. Just so thrilled with the process from beginning to end, and so thankful for Todd and Juliana and Tailored Living.